dear children, can you guess what this is? Yes, this is a family. Dear kids, can you say the names of your family members? Very good. Father, mother, brother and sister. Then, come on dear children, think. Wow, superb. Now you are correct. Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousin. They are also our family members. Among them, who will take the important decision? Yes, very good. Usually, our father takes the important decision in our family. My dear children, if your father is in troublesome situation, who will guide your family? Excellent! A wise man or an elder man will guide your family. Dear kids, can you say who is elder and wise in your family? Yes, usually our grandparents are elder and wise in our family. So, they guide us during troubles. Am I correct, children? Like that, in this story, a flock of wild geese ignored the advice of wise bird and get into some trouble. But finally, they regret their mistake and work as a team. Shall we see why they ignored the wise bird's advice and how they get into trouble and finally how they work as a team? Let's begin the story. One beautiful morning, a flock of wild geese were living happily in a very tall tree in a deep forest. Among the flock, one of them was an old wise bird.
My dear kids, geese is the plural form of goose. Goose is a large web-footed bird.
One day, the wise bird noticed a creeper at the foot of the tree and conveyed this to its flock. Dear children, flock means number of birds of one kind feeding, resting and traveling together.
Dear kids, usually a flock contains 2 or more birds.
Dear friends, there you see a creeper at the foot of the tree. Come, let's destroy it.
Why must we destroy it? It is so small and it cannot harm us.
Oh no, now it is small. Soon it will grow and creeps up this tree and will become thick and strong.
Creeper is a plant that grows around another plant by extending stems or branches.
What of that? It cannot harm us. It is a little creeper.
Oh, don't you see? With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for a hunter to climb this tree and kill us all.
Well, there is no hurry. The creeper is tiny. We felt pity to destroy it now.
Pity means the feeling of sorrow caused by the suffering of others.
My dear friends, while it is young, it will be easy to destroy it because it is tender now. Later on, it will be too hard to destroy it.
Dear kids, tender means easy to cut.
We will see.
That geese did not destroy the creeper and forgot the old bird's advice. Soon, the creeper grew up and began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. Dear children, have you ever ignored wise person's advice? I know you all are clever kids, so you won't ignore elders' words. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest.
Hunter means a person who hunts birds or animals.
Oh, what a surprise! This is the place where a flock of wild geese live. Let's catch them when they return in the evening.
Dear children, can you guess why the hunter kills birds and animals? Yes, because he will earn money by selling it in the illegal market. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away.
Net means a fabric with an open mesh resembling a fishing net.
The geese returned home in the evening. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but they could not.
Oh no! Please, someone help us! Help! Help! We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do?
Trap means to catch an animal or bird in a net.
Don't make fuss now. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now you see what happened. Tomorrow morning, the hunter will come back and kill us all.
My dear kids, when you are in trouble, what will you do? Yes, we call for help.
We were foolish. Please forgive us. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do.
Don't worry, you are my family. I will save you. Now listen carefully. When the hunter comes, we must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still.
Pretend means give the appearance of feeling or possession.
Why we pretend to be dead?
The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then easy for him to climb down and take us home.
Oh, we are going to die.
Please stop. Listen to me. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. But don't forget, we must wait for the last one to be thrown.
Dear children, have you ever worked as a team? Very good. Teamwork will always give us success. The next morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up.
Oh, what happened to these birds? Why they are all dead? I don't want dead birds. Let's throw them down and collect it when I climbed down.
The hunter throws them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Hunter throws the last bird.
Hurry! Let's flap our wings quickly and fly.
All birds flew away at once.
Oh, what is happening? Don't they die? Oh, they made me fool.
The hunter watched them fly away from the top of the tree.
Caged birds are not really happy inside the cage, so we have to let it free.
My dear children, what do you learn from the story? Yes, we should not postpone the work. Always heed the wise person's advice and work as a team to get success in life. Dear kids, have you enjoyed the story? Let's move on to the meanings for some of the hard words in the prose.
Geese. It is the plural for goose. Goose is the large web-footed bird. Creeper. Plant that needs support to grow along a tree. Winding. Go in circular. Muttered. Spoken in a low tone. Flapped. Move wings up and down. Stood. Past tense of stand. Maintain an upright position. Destroy. End the existence of something by damaging it. Tender. Easy to cut. Climb. Go or come up a slope. Wise. Showing experience and knowledge. Trapped. Past tense of trap. Catch an animal in a trap. Fuss. Show unnecessary concern about something. Pretend. Give the appearance of feeling or possession.
My dear children, let's try to find out the answer for some questions from this prose.
Where did the geese live? Very good. The geese lived at the top of the tree. Why did the old bird advise to destroy the creeper? Excellent. Because it may winding its way up the tree and possibly a hunter may climb over it. Why did the geese cry, "Help, help"? Superb! Because they trapped in the net. Why the geese pretend to be dead? Awesome! Because they want to dupe the hunter that they are dead. Thank you, dear children. Have a wonderful day.